how much should you actually spend on a battery-powered weed eater? It's tricky because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Heinpro Cordless String Trimmer. Let's kick things off with the Heinpro Cordless String Trimmer, priced at $65.99. What caught my attention is it's compatible with DeWalt 20V Max batteries, making it a great choice if you already own that battery system. If you want a reliable tool for your trimming needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a cutting width of 12 inches and a speed of 8,500 RPM, it gets the job done efficiently, whether you're etching or maintaining your lawn. Plus, the dual-line advanced system means you won't be constantly stopping to adjust the line, which is a huge time saver. It weighs just 3.7 pounds, so maneuvering it around your yard won't tire you out quickly. Now, some people complained about it being a bare tool, no battery or charger included. Here's the thing though, if you already have a DeWalt battery, this is actually a cost-effective solution. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast already invested in the DeWalt ecosystem. Skip this one if you need a complete package with battery and charger included. For the price, it's a solid value if you're looking for the basics without extra frills. Now, if the bare tool aspect bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Houselife Weed Eater and Leaf Blower Combo, listed at $79.99. It's fascinating how this combo provides both a trimmer and a blower, which makes it a compelling choice for yard care. If you want a complete yard care solution, this one is definitely worth a look. What's great about this is that it runs on the same DeWalt 20V Max batteries, allowing you to easily switch between tools without needing more chargers. The 12-inch cutting width and 8,500 RPM speed mean you can trim and edge without stalling, and the ultra-lightweight design really cuts down on fatigue. It truly caters to those managing small to medium-sized yards. However, some users mentioned the blower could use a bit more power for heavier debris, but honestly, for light cleaning tasks, it does its job well and complements the trimmer nicely. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a 2-in-1 solution to simplify yard work. Skip this if you have a larger property that requires more heavy-duty equipment. For the price and functionality, it's a good value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing more power.
Product number 3, Ego Power Plus String Trimmer. Let's talk about the Ego Power Plus String Trimmer, which retails at $249. This one really stands out with its high-tech features, like Line IQ, which takes the hassle out of bump feeding. If you want a premium experience with advanced technology, you should check this out. The power load feature is a game changer. Just feed the line, press a button, and you're ready to go. The 16-inch cutting swath and high-efficiency brushless motor mean you're looking at professional-grade performance. Plus, the carbon fiber shaft is lightweight yet durable, making it easy to handle for extended periods. That being said, the price tag is definitely higher than the other options on this list. But here's the thing. If you're serious about lawn care and want something that can handle tough jobs without breaking a sweat, this could be a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if yard work is a significant task for you and want a reliable, long-lasting tool. Skip this if you're looking for something budget-friendly. In terms of quality, you get what you pay for here. Now, if the price point on the Ego Power Plus gave you pause, the next one might just fit your budget.
Product number 4, Good Job 20V 12-inch Cordless Weed Whacker. We have the Good Job 20V 12-inch Cordless Weed Whacker, priced at $64.99. What I found appealing is its ultra-lightweight design, weighing just 3.5 pounds, making it great for anyone who may struggle with heavier tools. If you want an easy-to-handle option for yard maintenance, this one is worth considering. The inclusion of 2 batteries is a big plus, giving you up to 60 minutes of runtime without interruptions. The auto-feed line and 180-degree pivoting head allow for hassle-free trimming in tight spots, which is essential when you're navigating around trees or garden beds. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for beginners. A common complaint is that it may not be powerful enough for thick weeds, but honestly, for regular lawn maintenance and light trimming, it performs well and is perfect for smaller jobs. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who wants a lightweight tool for simple yard tasks. Skip this one if you have more demanding cutting needs. For its price, it's a solid choice for light-duty work. Now, if you're still looking for something a bit more versatile, this next one might catch your eye.
Product number 5, Ketari Cordless Weed Whacker. We have the Ketari Cordless Weed Whacker,
priced at $108.89. What's interesting here is the inclusion of multiple blade types for varying tasks, which really gives you versatility in your gardening. If you want a tool that adapts to different types of work, this could be a game changer for you. The powerful brushless motor and adjustable height make it user-friendly for everyone. And the safety features like the anti-collision design add an extra layer of peace of mind when you're working. With a weight of just 6.39 pounds, it's a comfortable choice for extended use. However, some users noted that the motor speed is relatively low compared to others on this list, which might frustrate those looking for fast results. But here's the thing, if safety and versatility are your priorities, this option is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a multifunctional tool for various lawn tasks. Skip this if you need something that can handle extremely thick foliage quickly. Considering its features, it presents good value for its price. We've covered 5 solid battery-powered weed eaters. From the budget-friendly Heinpro to the high-tech Ego Power Plus, there's something for everyone's needs. Whether you want lightweight options or powerful performance, I hope this helps you find the right tool for your yard work.